तुम्हारा ग्रुप ले लो।
जागी जागी है धरती सारी और जागा जागा है अंबर, जागी जागी है नदियाँ सारी और जागा जागा है सागर, जागो।
Was how this particular pageant unfolded was I had a conversation with Tom over the phone, and this was just before we opened school again, and he mentioned that it would be nice to do this performance on the freedom struggle.
Everything springs from the students, which is why I've been a little bit particular about not having a lot of recorded songs, other people singing and so on. I think what's going to really work in this program, and Geet has already mentioned it, is that everything comes out of the students, from the classroom.
In Gujarat, where? Whose house made this have happened? So of course we scrambled because my kids were not familiar with the Indian struggle and the way we would like them to get the understanding.
Many schools look upon a program like this purely as a chance to show off the school, which means a lot of money is spent and everything is fancy. And I think the beauty of this is that obviously you want to show off your school, but it's not. That's not the real essence. The real essence is what we're trying to tell through this pageant.
Where did it start from? What did Gandhi ji think about what Bhagat Singh had done?
Gandhi ji thought like that.
Professionals come here to teach them dancing, and well, the best part of the school is that they don't go for the second best. I'm the best. I'm here to teach it to them, as I'm good in my dance.
So
and
Akash actually bailed us out at the last minute, but since, like he says, we get the best in, we get the best professionals to come in and work with our students. And in just how long did we take to do this?
30 minutes.
30 minutes! We got my bachas doing a dance in 30 minutes! Yay! Thanks to him.
जान से प्यारा है सबसे
Quit India, you say loud.
Quit India.
And everyone starts, quit India, quit India, quit India. Okay, and then Vande Mataram.
After the third
What
dialogue,
happens today with all this marketing and promotions and things, you have like a promo of a film which is absolutely fantastic and slick and it's fantastic. The actual film is not like that at all. So there's no connection between the external and the internal. And I think this is why a lot of the television series and films you see these days are absolutely boring. Because they look very glossy on the surface, but inside nothing is happening. So
packaging.
It's all packaging. So here, I mean, what you're dealing with is one of the greatest freedom struggles, I think, in the history of mankind.
You've been through the unit for a while, and it's important to know what the students have truly understood.
watching movies helped me a lot because I could see what actually happened. By a personification, I really felt how they were feeling while the Dandimans and the Jallianwala Bagh.
ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा
People should be, there should be,
Are they going to sleep and then 5, 6 join him?
there should be people here behind
Okay.
that you cannot see.
Okay.
Okay? So he goes back, alright? And when he comes out, these people join him. Okay? And then along the way, more and more people join him. We have to figure out what is the longest route we can take in a different places. Okay? Okay.
I need to take this. You have to see it also. And because it was done in this way, as a drama, and focusing on the understanding rather than just learning the dates for the sake of it, each child is well versed in the dates.
चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा नई नई
behind Gandhiji. Alright? And Bapu Aya! Bapu! We didn't hear the cheers of Bapu. Let's start. But please go right to the end of the line. Not in the front. You're all try. We must try to at least reach 10. Can we try to at least reach 10?
Yes.
That means that everybody should look at everybody's face. It's very important for us to work as a team so that we can reach number 10. What's interesting about this concept, unlike maybe just a creative partnership where you get in people for just an occasion, is that the artist comes in and spends a significant amount of time with the students. And what happens in this is there are two levels of intervention. One is, of course, the students get this fantastic experience with a true expert in the field. And the second is, I think, teachers, when they see such passion from people who have achieved so much and have got a level of expertise, is that it kind of reflects on them and the practice that we do. So when you see a passionate human being enjoying what he does and having so much fun with it, it's bound to reflect on the practice that you do.
Here's what I want, especially with children. You're losing out on a lot of magic. You see a lot of the magic that's happening here.
And they improvise it. Which is fantastic, yeah.
स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकार